The exponential growth of the human population brings about a higher demand for cheap food of high biological value. Egg is considered to be our most easily digestible, as well as a complete food. It helps to protect our health in several ways. For the demanding task of producing annually 66 million tons of eggs for the humanity, we need reliable hybrids with high productivity. Bábolna TETRA has been playing worldwide a significant role in layer hybrid breeding for more than half a century now. In the last few decades, TETRA has profoundly enhanced the genetic capacities of their flocks and fulfilled complex selection goals as well. Having grown out of a company with 225 years of animal breeding tradition and being privatized in 2004, Bábolna TETRA is now present in nearly 50 countries on 4 continents with new management and logistic basis and with a redefined genetic program. The TETRA brand has become a symbol of tradition and quality owing to its expertise, the research and development programs, and its committed staff. In the Genetic Research Center of Bábolna TETRA, named after Dr. Gerhard Lorenz, as many as 23,000 pure line birds can be placed and observed individually. The careful recording and evaluation of pure line pedigree males and females production ensures the basis of our consistent genetic research. The satisfaction of the continuously changing and always higher producer and consumer markets requirements is guaranteed by the genetic purity of the flocks and a high standard of biosecurity. Productivity, the most important trait in breeding selection, is monitored on a daily basis. Further elements such as egg size, color, shell strength, albumin height are regularly measured. Every single data is recorded in a high-capacity database management system. The statistical evaluation of the result is carried out by genetic softwares developed according to the needs of TETRA. The progeny of the selected birds forms the basis of the next generation and of the grandparent flocks as well. The consistent genetic progression is guaranteed by coordinated research and development programs with partner institutions. Our joint research programs with the Kaposvár University and the Research Center for Farm Animal Gene Conservation in Gödöllő have been set out to ensure that our layer flocks fulfill any requirements emerging all around the world. On our refurbished grandparent and parent farms, we keep our flocks in accordance with the strict animal welfare and animal health specifications set up by the European Union. The largest proportion of our breeder flocks and hatching eggs are produced on our farms in Urajói. After collection, the hatching eggs are delivered on a daily basis by special vehicles to the egg storage house. The hatching eggs are carefully selected and prepared for hatching in our cutting-edge hatcheries. Only eggs of the highest quality are used for incubation. The eggs are transferred into the hatching machines on the 18th day of the hatching procedure. Skilled hands collect the chicks right after hatching. Selection according to sex is a very labor-intensive job. Vaccination and packaging of the day-old chicks is done according to customers' needs. All our parent stocks are delivered to the 4 corners of the world from here, including the most famous and widespread Tetra SL and L Super B, but also Hardco, Tetra Age, Amber Tint and HB color breeds. The market needs regarding layer hybrids are highly versatile and constantly changing. Tetra is able to maintain its considerable role on the world market with a wide range of hybrids as a result of foreseeing genetic work. Layer hybrids producing brown and white eggs are excellent both in cage and in alternative housing systems, moreover, under different production and climatic conditions. Our main target is to provide the market, the industry and the consumers with the most convenient eggs produced during a more than 90 weeks production period with optimal feed consumption. Tetra Group is a reliable partner of egg producers all around the world thanks to its determinant layer breeding traditions and its stable genetic and animal health background. Tetra. Quality, reliability over half a century.